Hey, it's Gina with WTI. If you're looking for ways to really maximize the amount of time that you have to work out and target your forearms, chest, and triceps when you're doing weightlifting, then you have to check out these barbell grips from IADUMO. My husband has been using these on his 30 millimeter bars, and he really likes how it helps him to concentrate on his forearm and grip strength. He especially likes using it when he does deadlifts. He says when he does not use them that it's just targeting his hamstrings and lower back. But then when he incorporates the bar grips, it helps him to also use forearm strength. So he loves that it can really help to work out more areas. These are comfortable. They're made from a very high density, thick silicone rubber. They're easy to part and snake bite onto those 30 millimeter bars. My husband really loves to incorporate these into his weightlifting routine. He thinks you'll love them too, and that's our point of view.